How to install a unique home design steel double security screen door. First, cut the straps holding the two doors together and set one aside. Open the first package and remove the top jamb and set aside. One-way screws and instructions can be found in the hardware lockbox as shown. Next, unpack the security door as shown. Please note that hardware such as handle set and door closer are not included with this door. Your security door is designed to work with 2 3/8 inch backset hardware that can be purchased at your local home improvement store. Make sure that the security door handle is on the same side as the entryway door as shown here. Make sure that the inactive side of the security door is on the same side as the inactive entry door. Using blocks, raise the inactive door to sit 1/4 inch below the bottom edge of your top trim. Secure the door in place using 2 of the temporary screws provided. Next, use blocks to raise the active door so that it is level with the inactive door. Secure the door in place using 2 of the temporary screws provided. Next, lower the top jamb into the hinged jamb posts as shown here. Verify that the top jamb is level and that the reveal is the same from left to right. Once satisfied, pre-drill the top jamb holes with a 1/4 inch drill bit and secure into place with 2 of the one-way screws provided. Hardware is not included with this model. Visit your home improvement store to purchase a lock set. Your security door is designed to work with a 2 3/8 inch backset hardware. Install the hardware you purchase separately by following the manufacturer's instructions included with the hardware. Verify that the door opens and closes easily. Once you are satisfied, remove the temporary screws and pre-drill the hole with a 1/4 inch drill bit and secure into place with the one-way screw provided. Repeat this step for each door jamb hole until all the holes are secured with one-way screws. Mark the area where the inactive door locking cane bolt hole will be drilled. Drill the hole using a 9/16 inch drill bit. Close and latch the door and adjust if necessary. And that's all there is to installing a steel double security screen door by Unique Home Designs. Thank you for visiting HelpMeInstallIt.com.